How's everyone doing today? It is the Naughty Investor. So EOS, should you be buying EOS right now? My quick answer is no. I am really bullish on EOS long term. I think it has a lot to say about the whole scalability versus decentralization debate that we have in cryptocurrency. I own Ethereum too. I think you should own both, to be honest. I think there's nothing wrong with owning EOS and Ethereum. Always diversify. Both have a lot to add to the cryptocurrency space, and both have a very different vision. I mean, Ethereum and EOS have two very different visions for what a blockchain should be and how things should run, and the cryptonomics of each individual one, of course. And I'll do separate videos on that in the future. But as far as price action goes, I would wait for a pullback. Of course, we have these huge candlesticks, all right, typical of run up, and then just look at the RSI. We're in overbuying. With no signs of slowing down. Today we did have a red candlestick as well, but not enough to correct. Wait for RSI to get back into normal range, right in between here. If you really want to wait for it to get into overselling. If you really want to get EOS at the low. But this is why I was telling people to be buying crypto, at the bottom where we were at $250 billion market cap, because you would have gotten a lot of the altcoins at cheap prices, which is why I was telling people to buy then, and that's why people have to listen to me. But yeah, as far as EOS goes, if you already own it, maybe you decide to hodl through this. I think that's a fine decision. Hodl through the pullback. If you are willing to take more risk, maybe you do a trade. You buy it you sell it at the high and you buy back in at the low. That'll definitely amplify your returns. But I don't, if you don't want to take that risk, I understand you completely. Sometimes it's easier to just hodl through it. And you also get to avoid the tax penalties and things like that if you're a U.S. citizen, or I'm not sure where, it depends where you're located, of course. But if you're a U.S. citizen, you're supposed to pay taxes on trades. Of course, a lot of people don't, but you take a risk with that as well. So depends where your risk to reward scale is at the moment. If you're willing to take that risk, great. If you're not, hodl through it. But yeah, if you're looking to get in onto EOS on the EOS bull train, wait for a pullback. There will be one. It might not be tomorrow, might not be the next day, might not be for a couple days, but it will happen, and it will be probably, I'm guessing, about a 15% pullback, if not a little bit more. So take that with grain of salt, do your own research, but that's my opinion on it. I'm waiting to add more EOS. I actually got in recently, right before the parabolic run-up, so I'm willing to add more to my bags once we get back down and we get back down into normal buying territory. Look, overbuying only sustains itself for so long. Just look at the past. Overbuying, we crash down into normal territory. Overbuying, we crash down into normal territory. I mean, just look at the prices. See, they correlate, if you will. So that's my thoughts on EOS. Great coin, good altcoin. I've neglected EOS on the channel. I should be covering it more. I haven't, and I apologize to my EOS fans out there. I'm going to try covering it more on the channel when I can and when it makes sense to for my audience. But definitely expect some more EOS videos in the future. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, share it, and yeah, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.